Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today we have a double unboxing episode. And luckily, this time around, the boxes are small enough to fit in camera. So let's get at it. Now, this first one, my buddy, my neighbor, his father, Dave, wanted a watch that was solar. So he was looking at Citizen, he was looking at Eco Drive, and he had a budget of 150 around, 150 bucks. So I don't really know too much about what he selected. So I'm not even sure if he did get a Citizen or not. But I think he did. So let's take a look and see. This is Dave's watch, as I mentioned. Oh, yeah? Okay, so he did get the Citizen. Awesome. Oh, by the way, wristwatch check. I am wearing my Tudor Black Bay 58, the original. Okay, we got the Citizen over here. Awesome, awesome. Now, I don't think I've reviewed a Citizen on the channel before. Ah, there we go. Oh, this is pretty cool. Awesome. And this is the caliber E168. I don't know the exact model. Let's see if I could do a little zoom in over there. Pretty cool. Awesome. Yeah, not bad. Not bad bezel action over here. This is a really good looking watch. Let me see. I probably will do a review on this watch, but I'm not going to take all the plastic out of it. I don't want to, I want Dave to have the satisfaction and the pleasure of doing that. Oh yeah, this is nice, man. Very, very surprised. I know Dave kept it under, I believe he kept it under 200. So this is killer, man. That's a pretty cool looking watch. Awesome. Okay, good job, Dave. And let's see what this guy's all about here. I think I know what this is. I think this is a Borealis that's come in. That's a tour watch. Let's see here. Hopefully this doesn't take me forever to do. I probably should be doing some box cutting, at least a little bit, before I do these sometimes, but whatevs. I'll probably end up trashing this box because I'm an animal. And here we go. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Ah, very nice. Very nice. Borealis. Sorry I didn't have the studio lights set up for this, guys, but it's an unboxing. I'll have it for the reviews. Now this is the Cascais. I believe I'm saying that correctly. Let me just get this. Ah, okay. Very, very nice here. Another dive style watch. Is there some plastic on it? Yeah, I think, yeah. There is a little plastic on the sapphire crystal. We'll take that out soon. Let's throw this on rest here. Oh, very nice. Pretty cool. Borealis is an interesting brand. I mean, they do have a big following. Very, very cool looking watch in the diver style. These look like, are they gilded hands a little bit? I don't know. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping in for the double unboxing, and I look forward to spending some time with these watches and doing a review for you guys. So I'll see you guys shortly. See you soon.